Really needed the bonus point for us to be able to get the first position in the competition. Right now, I think our chance for the World Cup qualification is still on track, but our main focus now to be able to win the games that are remaining, so that you can, if not be able to win as the number one, you can also go as number two for the repechage competition.